Are you being impacted by the North Okanagan watering restrictions being hit stage 3? It is already mid-June and we are seeing water restrictions coming into effect. We know that the North Okanagan Regional District just put in effect stage 3 water restrictions, which means that pretty much everyone is getting affected, but especially those on agricultural land who is going to be expected to reduce their water use by 70%. For those who have lawns, new gardens and whatnot, you're trying to get things established, this is going to mean a lot for everyone for your water conservation. Now, don't get disheartened. We do have a solution that is biochar.
What is biochar?
Biochar basically retains water, retains nutrients, and allows you to get away with much less watering and still increase your crop yield. In Kenya, Africa, they're using this product and reducing their water use by 75% and increasing their crops by 30%. That might sound too good to be true, but the facts are the facts. If you use biochar, it simply absorbs and retains moisture. Get a hold of us and we will certainly help you get this biochar applied to your soil so you can keep on operating the way you need to operate all summer long, and we're not even into the hot season yet. So if you don't want to wait and you actually want to keep your crops going throughout the July and August, get a hold of us. We'll get you your biochar so you don't feel the hit of these water restrictions. Now, we have used this, and I've got a whole other video of using this on my lawn last year, and when I was watering, we saw a 300% difference in growth with the biochar and non-biochar, and when I tried killing it with no water, I saw 600% more growth in my biochar side. So it just works, but you have to use it. All right, so from the horse's mouth, and we'll put this up on the screen so you can see it, up to 2 days a week watering. So you're gonna limit your watering to 2 days a week. That's huge. And for decks and washing outdoor areas, it's only for safety reasons only. Vehicles, boats, and ATVs, no washing or rinsing except for safety purposes. So they're really tightening down on this. Now, obviously you can't apply biochar to your vehicles, but to anything green space. Now, if you think you're gonna be impacted by this, which most of you will be, biochar is gonna really help you from your potting plants, your hanging baskets, your flower beds, larger vegetable gardens, agricultural fields, you name it, greenhouses. Biochar is going to help you through all those areas, and we can provide it for you from here in Salmon Arm. So click the link below. It'll take you right to a store. You can order small scale. If you need larger scale, larger deliveries, call us directly and we'll get you set up. Now is the time to add biochar to your soil. Don't wait for the drought. Don't wait for your soil to dry out and have to start all over again July and August, okay? Act now so that you have smooth sailing through July and August when those heat domes really start to hit. Water restrictions may be out of your control, but how your soil holds water doesn't have to be. Get a hold of us and we'll set you up. And for those who have lawns, you can pretty much kiss them goodbye. I probably shouldn't be saying this, should I?